everybody, and welcome to Walter Live UK. It's really exciting. We're all in the studio in Northampton, and I've got lots of guests to bring to you, and I've also got our very own Joe Reynolds. Now, the show is going to be lasting for approximately 2 hours today, so considering the current circumstances that we're in, this is the best way for you to sit back, relax and get all of your tooling questions answered. We've got an exciting day. So today is going to be your chance to get interactive with the Walter experts regarding their new innovations. Now, this is your opportunity to really reach out to the tooling experts to ask those questions that are pretty much on the tips of your tongues. So if you are watching live across, if it's YouTube, Facebook, Twitter or LinkedIn, now LinkedIn Live, which we're super excited about, please do ask us questions and we're going to do our very best to find you the answers. So today we are set to present a number of UK firsts as well, which is really exciting. They're going to include a number of software solutions as well as some cutting tools that you may never have come across. So this is going to be a extravaganza, a masterclass in tooling, and we've got the experts on hand for you. So today I'm joined in the studio with Joe Reynolds from MTD CNC. So Joe, what's the reason that today the Walter Live event is happening, Joe?
Well, the reason for today, obviously, exhibitions are no more at this present moment in time. And Walter and other businesses, they need to get their products to market. And the products we're talking about today are all UK first. So yeah, we're excited to get started, really. So we're joined today by Dean and Ian from Walter. Guys, welcome. You excited?
Yeah, very much so.
Are you nervous?
A little bit. A little bit. First time on camera, on the telly.
Just quickly, what we're going to see?
We're going to talk about some of the digitalisation that Walter have come up with over the last couple of years. An opportunity for us to get that out to the market, and some of the new products that we've increased our product range on, and some brand new products that customers should take benefit of as well.
Okay, so we weren't live currently on YouTube, so if you are joining us on YouTube, welcome to the Walter Live UK event. We've got some industry firsts. Today is a tooling extravaganza and we've got your experts on hand. So throughout the show, all I'm going to do is encourage you to get involved, get in touch, message in. Those messages that are coming in on whatever platform you're watching, send those messages in. By the magic of technology, they're going to arrive here on my platform here. And so I can read them aloud and send them over to our experts. Now, thank you for that introduction, Ian. But Dean, what do you do at Walter and what are we going to get from today if you're watching at home?
Well, I'm one of the application engineers for Walter GB. I generally work in the northern part of the country, supporting such as Ian, the sales engineers and the other key account managers.
So what do you like about Walter Live? What do you feel is, as a brand, as a company, they do better than others?
It's a good question.
It is a good question.
We are one of the global leaders in tooling technology. We're innovative and we rely on our engineering competence to bring the tools to the customer, the services, and apply them the right way so the customer gets more out of the tooling.
Yeah, and Ian, the same question to yourself. What is it you feel, when someone invests in Walter tooling, what are they going to get?
They're getting more than just a cutting tool. Cutting tool will give them the performance they require to do the jobs that they need to and be cost effective. But they also get the service that comes with that. Behind the scenes, the sales team in the office in Bromsgrove, the application support, we have access to Germany as well. We'll talk about that again today. It's the whole package and it's not just a cutting tool anymore.
Brilliant. And Joe, what's really the lineup of today? What is everyone going to receive from watching today? If they're sitting, you might have us on a computer by the side of you. You might have us on your phone. If you're out, you could be on holiday for all we know. But if you've got your tablet there with you, then what's everyone going to get from watching the show or having us on in the background?
Well, the beauty of today, we're live. If you don't catch it live, obviously you can watch it after the event, which is also important. There's not a lot of products. I think there's 9 in total we're going to be running through. You mentioned some SaaS products, some digitization, some software, but also obviously cutting tools. Not going to put too much details on the cutting tools, but but basically there's some tapping products, we've got some grooving part-off products, and we've got their latest milling products as well.
And what's this industry first as well that's happening? Ian or Dean, whomever's going to answer. What's this new technology that we're going to see?
Well, we've got two actually today. One is the Inner Time, which I'll speak about shortly, and the other one
is one of our new evolutions in the cutting of TigerTech. We're going to present TigerTech Gold WSP 45G.
Okay, brilliant. So if you are watching, if you're tuning in, thank you so much. Very exciting, of course, during the current situation of what's going on. This is just a perfect way for you to get your questions answered. I'm going to be repeating myself throughout the show, but we are going to be going over to Germany as well. We've got some industry experts in Germany talking for us today about all of the products, all the tooling, and those industry firsts that you've just heard, which are very exciting. So get those questions in. Joe, have you got any more questions for the guys before we begin the show?
No, it's just, I always ask this question, a day in the life of a tooling rep. I used to be a tooling rep, but I know it's evolved a lot over recent years. So, either of you, what's the day in the life of your current role?
Go on, Dean.
It's probably changed quite considerably, Joe, since you were doing it. We've got no Friday afternoons on the golf course or cutting the grass. But really, it's the Walter ethos is to really look after the customer, give the customer what they need, what they want, and make them more profitable. That's the bottom line.
Perfect. I think Dean's touched on it. It's understanding what the customer needs. Have we got a solution? Can we provide that solution as a cost-effective solution for the customer, and then supporting them from initial testing through to implementation and then onwards from there. So.
Lindsay, one for you. What are the benefits of a live broadcast such as today?
So a live broadcast is basically a way of you being able to speak to the industry experts without the problems of social distancing that we're all going through. It's a bit of an unknown water, isn't it, everything that's going on at the moment, but it's a way for you to get direct to that customer. You're not having to get in a car, you're not having to travel or find your way somewhere, stay overnight. You haven't got those expenses involved, but it's a way for you to get in touch with the product directly and the experts straight away. So and that's why I encourage anyone who's watching to come on in, get involved and talk to us. Like I say, throughout the whole show we're going to be starting and stopping with questions so we can get an interactive. I'll be interrupting you all, I do apologize, with questions, which is very exciting.